Yun guys, oil pump for 2800 series. 2800 series and 2806 series seamless pump. I make la repair here. This one the pressure plate. Final sandpaper. If there is too much scratching here guys, you make 120 sandpaper and then final 1000. So here 800 first 800 last 1000 because this one only very little scratching only. Now done, ready for assemble. This is the engine 2800 series. I'm the one chief mechanic in this group guys. See, after finish assemble ito guys, we fix here. And my other team guys here, too much work. So on KT50 dismantle also. Wahid. So new change oil seal and tappet clearance and pulley checking with Abdullah Haq. Ano new overhaul guys. Ali electrician.
Wala na yung control.
Ha?
Tinanong sa kapon.
Ano sabi?
Wala daw.
Walang sensor?
Control.
Control? Yun lang. Mga ahoy na naman tayo eh.
Asa ta nga? Wala na mag-twisty.
May dumating bago. Oo. Pwede natin kawayan yan. Oy, so this one foot cover because the very danger after fire upside. Isa-isa, yung kalam isa. Marami kaming trabaho guys, hindi mo busan. Okay?
Okay, sir. Vamos.
Dito naman ako guys. I-continue ko tong assemble guys. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.